Gusto kasi ng BF ko mag-online wedding kasi dahil sa work niya, oo, nagasta ko sa agency 35,000 pesos price. Ang mahal niyan sis. Actually, $105 lang ang binayad ko sa online wedding. Okay? $70 for the wedding. And then the marriage license. And then $35 for the ceremony. So, ang gagawin mo, ito na lang. Turuan kita. Go to utah.gov.ph, www.utah.gov.ph. Search mo, type mo, marriage, online marriage, and then, pag lumabas na, click mo yung apply marriage license. So, once andun ka na, fill up ka doon ng name mo at name ni magiging husband mo, and then upload ka ng ID picture, valid ID nyo, valid ID niya, valid ID mo. And once tinanggap ng system, that's the time meron silang ibibigay na parang magpe-payment ka. So once payment is done na, ang gagawin niyan, mag-i-email sila ng during the marriage license, mag-schedule ka doon, mamimili ka ng schedule kung kailan ang gusto mong wedding date and time. So, ayun po. And then, once okay na, meron ng wedding schedule ng ceremony. So, before the ceremony, let's say sa Zoom naman yan lagi, 24 hours before Zoom ceremony nyo, wedding ceremony, um, meron siyang i-initiate na magbabayad kayo ng payment for $35. That is for the ceremony fee. So, once nagbayad na kayo, okay, tuloy na ang wedding. Yun lang. You can invite. You can send the link to your loved ones. Ayun na. So, after that, bibigay sa iyo yung marriage license nyo online, and then you can go to the website again and ask for, pagkatapos ng wedding nyo, and ask for an apostille copy or certified true copy. So, yun, ganun lang siya kadali sis. You don't have to pay that kind of amount na sobrang malaki. So, do it yourself lang.